Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Thule Company. Happy Friday, everyone. Today we're going to install and review the Thule Force XT-XL rooftop cargo carrier. This cargo carrier gives you maximum space efficiency across a wide range of vehicles. So let's open the box, get to install, and check it out. Thule Force XT-XL rooftop cargo carrier is comfortable to open and close thanks to its lock knob that also helps to prevent damage from the Thule Comfort key. The dual side opening provides easy access to all areas of the box from either side of the vehicle. Remember to lock one side when you're opening the other. Cargo carrier allows full trunk access with minimal risk of contact with the cargo box thanks to its forward positioning on the vehicle roof. The rooftop cargo carrier is easy to mount thanks to the Power Click Quick Mount system. Turn the quick mount clamps to the open position by spinning it. The clamps will open like so. Snap the clips into the grooves on the bottom of the cargo carrier like so. The integrated torque indicator clicks when it's properly mounted, ensuring fast and secure fitting. Lift the cargo carrier and place on top of your vehicle's rack. Make sure the clamps go over the cross beams of the rack. Tighten the quick mount clamps until you feel a click. Close and lock the lid and you're ready to go. Thanks for joining us today as we install this Thule cargo roof rack. Remember to tune in every Friday for reviews and installations just like this.